Lithonia lighting continues to be on the leading edge of linear high bay innovation. Our newest product, the XIB, is no different. The XIB is a next generation IP65 linear high bay with outstanding performance and innovative aesthetics. It's the intersection of beauty and brawn with a sleek, clean, low profile design. It's suited for a wide breadth of industrial applications, from the most basic general warehouse to more medium duty and demanding industrial environments like manufacturing and cold storage. Let's take a closer look. The XIB is available with a multitude of different lens options and lumen packages. For lens, we have two different materials. We have an acrylic and a glass, which you might use in a more medium-duty industrial space, such as manufacturing or service bays, somewhere where there's airborne chemicals. Additionally, we have it available with a clear and frosted finish on either glass or acrylic. Those are all medium distribution. We also have narrow distribution and wide distribution that are molded into the lens itself, looks something like this, and a visual comfort lens for a more architectural flair that looks like this. Lumen packages for the XIB are from 12,000 lumens to 30,000 lumens in the 2-foot that you see here, or a 24,000 lumens to 42,000 lumens in the 4-foot version. Additionally, this product's available with uplight modules to get a little bit more reflectance off the ceiling in industrial spaces that typically have that cavern effect. And all these different combinations come together for a DLC premium listing. Let's talk a little bit more about the visual comfort option available on the XIB. Visual comfort is a way of expressing this alternate lens. It's a more architectural lens, adds a little depth to the fixture, and most importantly, allows the fixture to have this nice, smooth, uniform illumination across the surface of the lens. This really allows this product to be suitable for applications not typically reserved for high bays, things like retail environments and commercial environments. It's a really nice option. In addition to being beautiful, the XIB is also powerful and durable, and that all starts with the mechanical design. So the housing on this product is a single die-cast aluminum housing, which means we've really reduced the failure points where bugs and dust and even water can enter the product. In fact, to ensure this, we have an IP65 rating on the product, which means it can withstand even hose-directed spray, and certainly bugs and dust and debris. In addition to that, it has an NSF2 splash zone rating, which makes it suitable for food service applications. Finally, 55 degrees C ambient temperature rating is standard out of the box, as is 10 kV surge protection per ANSI standards. But I don't want you to get the wrong idea that this is only a fixture for medium-duty industrial applications. All these features really make a compelling story for this to be an everyday warehousing product too. Think about how much time and money you can save by not having to send somebody to clean out lenses every so often. Think about how much more efficient the product stays when it doesn't have those things like bugs and dust obstructing the light output. The XIB is available with a variety of sensor options. The one you see installed here is the RMSOD sensor, which is our in-light air solution. If you ordered an RMSOD sensor with the XIB, the product would function out of the box with an occupancy detection functionality. But that sensor is also scalable all the way up to full building management. So don't forget its basic functionality as well as its scalability. Additional families we have available, as you see here, the SBGR is our standalone sensor. And in the same form factor is the SBG BTP family, which allows from the ground Bluetooth programming of the sensor. One of the most important things about all these sensor families is that each of them carries an IP65 or better rating themselves, which means ordering the fixture with those on it doesn't derate the fixture at all. It preserves that IP65 rating. To sum it all up, the XIB has an innovative aesthetic and spectacular performance to make it a winner in a large variety of industrial applications. Check out the spec sheet online for all possible configurations. Thanks for watching.